Let's get your top story, and that's the Supreme Court that will pass a direction on a batch of petitions seeking 100% VVPAT EVM cross verification. This will be a crucial hearing in the election season. The Election Commission is in an earlier hearing had in fact gone on to say that it's impossible to tamper with the EVMs. The Supreme Court will today pronounce its verdict on that batch of petitions seeking directions to tally voter verifiable paper audit trail. That's the VVPAT slips with votes cast through electronic voting machines, the EVMs during elections. The VVPAT voter verified paper audit trail enables a voter to see if the vote was cast properly and went to the candidate he or she has supported. And the VVPAT generates a paper slip that's kept in a sealed cover and can be opened if there is a dispute. My colleague Aishwarya joining us. Aishwarya, what time is this case coming up in court this morning? And also, take us through the pros and cons when it comes to the EVM machines.
Well, very important day as far as electoral process in the country is concerned. Supreme Court is going to deliver its judgment on the VVPAT petition that was filed. Of course, it was a two-day intense hearing that took place, after which the Supreme Court two-judge bench reserved its judgment and it will be pronounced today anytime at around 11 or 11:30. But a few important points that went through the hearing process in the Supreme Court. Number one, of course, the demand of the petitioners that 100% verification through VVPAT should happen. Number two, the entire electoral process should go to ballot papers. Number three, the demand was to cross-check the the vote that you and me had casted, and there should be a cross verification chit, and that should come out so that a voter can know that who he had casted the vote. Now, it was the Supreme Court who had engaged with the top officials of the Election Commission of India, asking the entire process of how the EVMs work. It was in one of the observations stated by the Supreme Court that the electoral process in the country is an humongous process and it cannot be shifted completely to human. Although it was also observed by the Supreme Court that complete change in from EVMs to manual process would be very difficult for the country as far as the entire process is concerned. But while observing and hearing about the entire process, the mechanism of the EVMs, it was also observed by the Supreme Court and stated by the Election Commission of India officials that and they claimed that EVM cannot be tempered, although they also stated that if there is a human error only, then such things can arrive. There has been also Supreme Court who has stated that 5 of the EVMs from random assemblies will be collected, and from their EVMs will be checked as well. So clearly, after hearing for almost 2 days, today the Supreme Court two-judge bench will be delivering its judgment as to whether the Supreme Court will allow to continue with EVMs in the in the ongoing election phases, or there would be some change as far as Supreme Court directions are concerned.
Right. Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for joining us with all those details. All eyes on that crucial verdict that's coming out today.